Ooh, Paul, what are you having for breakfast today?
Another omelet.
Another omelet. Poppy, what are you having? Oh, pancakes. Lizzie's eating eggs, pancake. We got blueberry parfait. And Charlie, what are you eating? Colorful Cheerios? Ton, what are you doing? Are you guys having a good breakfast? Where are we today? Haiti! Haiti, we're in Labadee today. Come on, hey Poppy! Oh. Wow. Morning! Welcome to Labadee. You know where exactly to go? Are they dancing? What are we doing? Where are we going, Love Bug? Oh, look at this big wave. Look at this big wave. Is it gonna crash? Whoa! Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. Hey Sophia, I like your hat. You're welcome. I do have water. I didn't know it was gonna be this hot. I knew it was gonna feel hot. Oh, that looks so cozy.
Oh, how fun is this?
Good.
Okay.
There's a green boat.
You went too slow.
Huh? He made me go slow.
Who did, Nathan?
Nathan, he kept saying slow down.
How was it, Nathan?
Scary.
It was scary?
That's the brake that you're pushing down.
Is it really?
Yeah, there you go.
Isn't that scary? So now we have brakes? We have to keep going? I didn't feel like it was going. I didn't feel like it was going.
Alright, how was you guys? You go fast? Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna give Daddy some space, even though I don't think we have to, because he's gonna go really fast.
We're not in a rush.
Wow, look at how beautiful Haiti is. There goes Dad and Noah. Whee!
This is fun. This is fun.
This is so fun, isn't it? Whee! A little slower. A little slower. Whee! Woo! Whee!
This is fun.
Whoa! Woo! Whee!
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
I always want. I actually think if I can make this in my backyard.
Yeah, that would be fun, right?
Yeah.
Take two. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. From the beginning. Woo! Can we go down here? Whee! That's a pretty beach. Woo! Wee! Woo! Woo! Are you okay? Did you see a spider?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a jumping spider. Look at it, it's a jumping spider. It's okay, Joy. Okay, Ray. All right, Sophia.
Sophia, one more in and that's not good.
Tony, you're doing Elizabeth's hair? Are you gonna make her so beautiful? Did you ask her if she wants a bun or a braid? you having some girl time with your big girl cousins? Yeah? Every time I see you, you're smiling and having so much fun telling Elizabeth all about your life.
She told me all about her life.
Oh, she... Yeah, she's just telling you all about her life?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a good friend.
It just when I think of it, like,
Yeah?
like say,
Is that fun? Huh. I don't even know where we are anymore.
beautiful picture.
Those are very beautiful pictures.
Wait, 2 pictures are the same, like those butterfly ones. How you doing?
Oh, good.
I wish you could come to
I know, boss lady. Can you see right here? This is something for you.
That's a, we stick together, sorry.
We just like Johnny, we just like.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
That's a,
I give it to you. You should you can smell it. Smell like cedar.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. And I got some little stone right here too. And I got some fish magnets. And now you can take your time to choose even one little thing you like here from me, okay? No pleasure.
It's a palm tree your size. You like your palm tree? We're gonna go back to the other beach where Grandma is. Let's go, babies. How pretty. Mama.
Who can be the least sassy?
Yeah. Girls, is that fun?
Stay out of the sun, your skin will stay nice and beautiful.
Oh, what is it?
It's a sail.
Thank you. Oh.
Oh, I love you. Labadee. La-ti-da. Hey, that hurts the ears. Oh, I miss you so much, girls.
Jumpy, jumpy. Where's Tony? Jumpy, jumpy. Where's Tony and Mama? Yes. Tony and Mama. Look at that. And then...
Look it up.
I told you you couldn't do it.